Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're making some shrimp rolls, and what I'm doing is took the shrimp, I marinated it in garlic and some seasonings and black pepper, and what I did was I took some wonton, well not wonton, some egg roll wrappers. I cut them in half, okay, and I took a shrimp, and in each of them I wrapped it up, and I fried the shrimp in each half a wrapper. Okay, so I'm not sure how long to leave this in there for, because the shrimp is raw in the inside. Normally, when if I'm gonna make egg rolls, I'll make them with the cooked shrimp. I'll cook the shrimp first. But these are with the raw shrimp. So I'm going to leave them in for a little bit longer than I normally do, just to make sure the shrimp is cooked on the inside. Turn this one over. Okay, so I didn't want to make a full egg roll, and I saw someone that on the internet that they had taken the shrimp, and in order to keep it from curling, they just made a few cuts in it, in the inside of the shrimp, because the shrimp curls. So, and then I just try to break it up a little like that, straighten it out. Okay, I put it I moisten all the sides of the wrapper, put it in the center of the wrapper. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. And, okay, so this is a half of a wrapper. Okay, and I'm going to wrap the shrimp in there. Just do that as tightly as you can. Bring the corners in towards the center. Okay, and finish rolling it up. Alright, and that's how it turns out. Okay. Right, then you're just going to put that in your oil. Alright, I've got 2 more shrimps in here. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to moisten the edges of the wrapper. So I saw this on a TikTok video, I believe it was. And I decided, you know what? I'm going to make that. Faster than making an egg roll. And you know, it's like a little appetizer or a little side that you can have with your dinner. Okay, or you could have it as a snack. You could take it for lunch. Alright, so there we go. I made my little slits. It cuts to the inside part of the shrimp. The part that curls, okay, you've got this part. You see how it curls? So what you're going to do is inside, you're going to make your slits with the knife. Then you're going to straighten it out, and it's going to keep it from curling too much when you're frying your egg roll. Well, your little wrap. Okay? And then you're going to wrap it in here. Bring the corners again towards the center. Okay, there we go. Okay, and I've got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 shrimps. I didn't know I had that many left because I had made some egg rolls last week. I didn't know I had that many. So again, you're going to take your knife. You're going to cut. See how it curls? You're going to cut in there. Inside the part that curls. Just 3 or 4 little cuts. That's all you need. And you're going to straighten it out. And then you're going to put you're going to moisten. Your wrap. Now this one has 2, and I don't have an extra shrimp, so the last 2 cut up wraps. I'm going to wrap the shrimp up with. And there you go. And then those are all ready to be fried. Let me just clean my hands real quick. Making sure you guys are in frame there. And I hope everyone's doing well today. Okay, I believe this has been here long enough. I'm going to take it out. Hopefully it's been in there long enough. I'm going to take this one out too. I'm going to take this one out. Alright. Move this one up. If you guys like this idea, I hope you try it at home. Let me know how it goes. Okay, and if it looks yummy, give me a like. Share my video. I noticed you've been sharing my videos, and I really appreciate that. Makes me really happy, and then I know what else to bring you. Okay, and I'm gonna cut this one open. First I need to get a clean plate. Move these up to the side. Stay out of the way. Okay. Take this one. And we're going to make sure it's nice and cooked in the inside. Let's see how that shrimp looks. Ooh, it looks yummy. Ooh, nice and hot. There we go. That's the shrimp. It's nice and cooked. Ooh, yes, nice and hot in the middle. Taste that. Taste a piece with the shrimp. Ooh, it's really hot. Blow on this for a little bit. Ooh, it smells really good. I put garlic in there. I crushed I had crushed one clove, and I added seasonings in there. Okay. That's good. Well, that's great as a snack with something you want to eat with rice, or potatoes, chicken, anything as a side dish or just a snack. Okay, it's really good. I hope you guys try this, and I'll see you later.